What's up, everybody? Thanks again for watching my channel. This bottom chunk down here, hit that red little button that subscribes to me. That basically just shows that anytime I post a new video, update anything about what's going on with the build, you get pinged, and then you can watch some of the video. Thanks to everybody who has watched any of my videos, liked, subscribed. Super grateful. Today's video, I'm going to go over basically the EK hatch build. Sold a few things. I'll get into what those are here in a little bit, but basically I just sold my sheepy built hood exit, so that's gone. I have my injectors sold. Those are gone. My fuel pump, that's gone, and my cold air intake. So if you know a little bit, you kind of know the direction I'm going. I don't need any of that stuff. I sold my sheepy hood exit. Went to a guy in Scottsdale, Arizona, I believe is where it went. And while I was on K20.org on Facebook, there was a turbo manifold for sale. This is made by Black Market Fab. They have like their little stamp right there. It's a T4. Basically it's going to sit right behind the valve cover like this, up against the firewall. Pretty excited for that. And then I also bought a intercooler. So intercooler from SpeedFactory. I believe they're 3-inch here for both sides. So I'm still going to be running the RBC manifold. So that way I run both of my intercooler piping towards the driver's side of the car. So I'm still trying to figure out what wastegate to buy, which blow-off valve to buy, what injectors I'm going to need. I know for sure I'm going to need the 450 pump. The turbo, I think, like a 62 or 6266. If anyone has some recommendations, throw them in the comments below. Here's a little clip that I've watched a couple times recently on why I want to turbo the Honda. One main reason why I haven't really been outside recording the hatch a little bit more, so you can see my breath. I live in Minnesota and it is negative probably 10 degrees outside right now without any wind. So I sold my injectors, those are gone. I got rid of my hood exit, so we got plenty of room there. I have a twin disc coming, so I gotta get trans out.